In 1969, the first blood glucose meters became available to hospitals and physicians to help manage their patients' type 1 diabetes. Since then, more tools have become available to better manage type 1 diabetes, including insulin pumps, continuous glucose monitors, and more. Ever wonder how these medical miracles came to be? The answer is clinical trials. Hi, I'm Marjorie, and I'm a clinical trial education volunteer. I'm also the parent of a daughter with type 1 diabetes. My job is to educate the type 1 diabetes community about the importance of clinical trials and to recruit people like you to participate. You may be wondering, what is a clinical trial? Clinical trials are scientific research studies to determine if new treatments and devices are safe and effective. Whether it's an everyday, over-the-counter treatment or the latest and greatest medical device, it went through a rigorous testing process known as a clinical trial. Right now, there are over 100 type 1 diabetes clinical trials recruiting participants in the United States. But there's a serious problem. Many of these clinical trials don't have enough participants. Without participants, trials are delayed. Delays mean they cost more than they need to, and that we have to wait longer, often several additional years, before treatments and devices are approved and are made available. But this is fixable. The solution? We need you to help usher in the next generation of life-changing and life-saving medical breakthroughs. As a clinical trial participant, you'll be working with researchers and doctors who will take excellent care of you. They want to find out how your body responds to new treatments and devices, as well as your personal preferences for using them. But you don't always need to wear an experimental device, and you don't even need to have type 1 diabetes to participate. Some type 1 diabetes clinical trials only consist of surveys or phone interviews. And while many are specifically for people with type 1 diabetes, some are also for relatives of people with type 1 diabetes. Here's how you can get involved. Go to jdrf.org/clinical trials and use the connections tool to find the clinical trial opportunity in your area. Be sure to check the box to opt in to JDRF communications so that a volunteer can get in touch with you. They'll send you local opportunities on a regular basis. That's it. I loved being on the cutting edge of science and working with amazing researchers who are making life better for my daughter and everyone with type 1 diabetes. Together, we can improve the lives of people in the type 1 diabetes community.